good morning. Today we are going to forest. Huh? Wow, we see so many animals. Wow, what is this animal, Ayan? Giraffe. Wow, nice. What is this animal? Zebra. Good. What is this animal? Fox. Wow, great. What is this animal? Lion. Great. What is this animal? Horse. Wow, what is this animal? Deer. What is this animal? Hippo. Wow, great. What is this animal? What is this animal? Sheep. Yeah. What is this animal? Horse. What is this animal? Rhino. What is this animal? Elephant. Ah, great. What is this animal? Tiger. Wow, great. Clap to yourself. Clap, clap. Clap. Great.